It's not quite done yet, but they're a long way towards it, aren't they? There's no question about that. And good to see that one player admits that they do some finishing practice. Pays off, you see, Glenn?
Well, I didn't say it didn't pay off. It's just I like what Tuchel did. He mustn't let Tuchel hear that interview, obviously. He'll be on his back. But, no, the young kid, he's got a smile on his face. Every time he goes on the telly after he's had a game, he's mature. He's a player that knows how to play so many different positions, doesn't he, Mason Mount? And he is a top-quality player, and he's proving that. I don't know why there's any sort of question marks about
the
him,
debate
really.
rolls on, but I think he's convincing more and more people. He shouldn't need to now because he's terrific every game he plays, and he's got such a, he's got the technique, he's got ability, he's got skill, he's got energy.
He's a manager's dream because not only has he got this natural ability and he affects the game in the final third, like, the imagination to take that on his back foot on the blind side of the defender, and then the ability to strike. Not only has he got all of that, he's a manager's dream because he does it, the tactics to the T. Off the ball, he was so much better. And I said it last week, and I said, in that difficult spell when he just before they changed the managers,